Are you in need of auto repair, or do you just want to make sure your car is running right? Then turn to the technician Gabriel Auto Technician in Laguna Heights. Turn to Gabriel for complete auto repairs and full service maintenance. They are AC certified and is full computerized Diagnostic. They will service your heating and AC, fan belts, timing belts, brakes, including ABS, oil changes, and tune-up. It's Gabriel Auto Technician at 413 Highway 100 in Laguna Heights. Open Monday through Saturday. Turn to the technician Gabriel Auto Technician. Gabriel Auto Technician in Laguna Heights. Are you in need of auto repair, or do you just want to make sure your car is running right? Then turn to the technician Gabriel Auto Technician in Laguna Heights. Turn to Gabriel for complete auto repairs and full service maintenance. They are AC certified and is full computerized Diagnostic. They will service your heating and AC, fan belts, timing belts, brakes, including ABS, oil changes, and tune-up. It's Gabriel Auto Technician at 413 Highway 100 in Laguna Heights. Open Monday through Saturday. Turn to the technician Gabriel Auto Technician. Gabriel Auto Technician in Laguna Heights. Are you in need of auto repair, or do you just want to make sure your car is running right? Then turn to the technician Gabriel Auto Technician in Laguna Heights. Turn to Gabriel for complete auto repairs and full service maintenance. They are AC certified and is full computerized Diagnostic. They will service your heating and AC, fan belts, timing belts, brakes, including ABS, oil changes, and tune-up. It's Gabriel Auto Technician at 413 Highway 100 in Laguna Heights. Open Monday through Saturday. Turn to the technician Gabriel Auto Technician. Gabriel Auto Technician in Laguna Heights. Are you in need of auto repair, or do you just want to make sure your car is running right? Then turn to the technician Gabriel Auto Technician in Laguna Heights. Turn to Gabriel for complete auto repairs and full service maintenance. They are AC certified and is full computerized Diagnostic. They will service your heating and AC, fan belts, timing belts, brakes, including ABS, oil changes, and tune-up. It's Gabriel Auto Technician at 413 Highway 100 in Laguna Heights. Open Monday through Saturday. Turn to the technician Gabriel Auto Technician. Gabriel Auto Technician in Laguna Heights. Are you in need of auto repair, or do you just want to make sure your car is running right? Then turn to the technician Gabriel Auto Technician in Laguna Heights. Turn to Gabriel for complete auto repairs and full service maintenance. They are AC certified and is full computerized Diagnostic. They will service your heating and AC, fan belts, timing belts, brakes, including ABS, oil changes, and tune-up. It's Gabriel Auto Technician at 413 Highway 100 in Laguna Heights. Open Monday through Saturday. Turn to the technician Gabriel Auto Technician. Gabriel Auto Technician in Laguna Heights.